Mastering prepositional phrases as adverbs. Practice makes perfect. Hello, English language learners. Today, we are going to dive deeper into a crucial element of English grammar: prepositional phrases as adverbs. By the end of this video, you'll be more confident in recognizing and using these types of phrases correctly in your own speaking and writing. So, let's get started. First things first, let's quickly revisit what prepositional phrases as adverbs are. A prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and ends with a noun, pronoun, gerund, or clause, also known as the object of the preposition. When a prepositional phrase functions as an adverb, it is modifying a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, providing additional information like where, when, or how something happened. For instance, in the sentence, "She runs in the morning," the prepositional phrase, "in the morning," is acting as an adverb, telling us when she runs. Understanding when a prepositional phrase is acting as an adverb can be a bit tricky, but there's a simple trick. Try asking when, where, or how about the verb. If the prepositional phrase answers one of these questions, it's functioning as an adverb. For example, in the sentence, "The cat sleeps on the sofa," the phrase, "on the sofa," answers the question, where. Hence, it's an adverbial prepositional phrase. Let's get hands-on and practice using adverbial prepositional phrases. I'll provide some sentences and your job will be to identify the adverbial prepositional phrases. 1. They study before dinner. 2. The children played in the park. 3. He spoke with a smile. Now let's switch things up. I'll give you a verb, and you should create a sentence using an adverbial prepositional phrase. Here are the verbs. 1. Read. 2. Swim. 3. Laugh. You can pause the video to take your time. When you're ready, continue the video for the correct answers and explanations. Pause for exercise completion. Alright, let's see how you did. The answers are: identification exercise. 1. They study before dinner. The prepositional phrase, before dinner, tells us when they study. 2. The children played in the park. The prepositional phrase, in the park, tells us where the children played. 3. He spoke with a smile. The prepositional phrase, with a smile, tells us how he spoke. Creation exercise. Your answers will depend on what you came up with. For example, you might have written: 1. I read under the tree. 2. We swim in the ocean. 3. She laughs at the joke. Great work! I hope you found this exercise helpful in recognizing and using prepositional phrases as adverbs. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find that these structures come naturally to you. Remember, grammar is a building block for communication, and with every block you master, your English skills will continue to grow. Stay motivated and keep learning. Until next time, happy studying.